morning, class 11 students. Today we'll go for the binary arithmetic. Okay. Previously we learned about different kind of number system, how to convert different number system, and from that much of thing we came to know that each and everything in computer are done through binary numbers or binary number system. That is nothing than a number system having only 0 and 1. So today we'll go for the different kind of arithmetic, basically the addition and subtraction part, how the binary numbers are added and how the binary numbers are subtracted. So in case of addition, we have to remember this much of thing, that is, if we are adding a 0 to 0, then the result is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1, the number is 1 0, it is not 10, it is 1 0. Now just remember one thing here, the 0 or 1 is the binary number. Now for 0 in decimal 0 is equal to binary 0, decimal 1 is equal to binary 1. How is it possible? Because I am showing you a little example here. Suppose a number is 1 base 2 and we have to convert it into 1 base 10, we have to convert it into base 2. Then what happens? 1 divided by 2, so it is not possible. So the remainder itself 1, so the number is 1 base 2 itself. But the same thing if I am doing with 2. As we know, decimal 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So binary 1 plus 1 should be binary 2. So if I am converting the decimal 2 into binary, then what we get? 2 divided by 2, 1, remainder is 0. So the number is 1, 0. Now this is a 2-digit number. In case of addition, the 2-digit number, if any type of addition you are getting a 2-digit number, then by taking the 10th place digit as a carry for the next addition. Suppose I am adding a normal addition, that is 57 plus 70. Then what happened? This is 7, 7. 14. So in place of 14 we are taking 4 only, and we are taking 1 as the carry bit which will be added with this digit. That means now the result is 5 plus 1 plus this carry 1, that is 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 7. The result is now 74. In case of binary also we have to do the same thing, that is in case of getting 2 or getting 1 0, we have to take the result as 0 and we have to take this one as a carry bit. For example, now I am using this. So for example, we have two binary numbers 1 0 1 1 0 plus 1 1 0 1. Now 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Now here 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 in the sense I am taking 0 and 1 as a carry over here. Here I am taking 1 as a carry bit. So what happened? Again 0 plus 1, 1 plus this carry 1, that means 1 0 again. From that 1 0 I am taking 0 and 1 is the carry bit over here. Then 1 plus 1, again 0 is the result, another is the carry bit. So if there is no more calculation, you have to write down the carry bit over here. So the number is now 1 0 0 0 1 1. I think it is little bit of harder, so go for a simpler one now. Suppose I am calculating now 1 0 0 1 0 plus 1 1 1 plus 1 1 only. So what is now 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. So this 0 plus we have to calculate this carry 1. Now the number is 1. Then this is 0 and this is 1. This is the addition of binary. Now let's go for the subtraction class part. In case of subtraction, you have to remember this much of thing, that is your 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1. When we are doing 0 minus 1, then what happened? 0 minus 1 is not possible because 1 is larger than 0. So we have to take a borrow from its previous number. Now come to the normal calculation. Suppose we have to calculate 41 minus 7. Now what happens? 7 minus 1 is not possible, so we have to take a carry from this place. If you are taking and carry from this place, then what happens? This becomes 3 now. I am taking 1, but this is the 10th place number. So the 10th place number, in the sense after taking this, it becomes 3, but here we are getting the 10. 10 means this number now becomes 11. So 11 minus 7 is 4, and this is the 3. The same thing happened in case of your binary subtraction. Suppose I am doing something like that: 1 1 0 minus 1 1. Then what happened? 0 minus 1 is not possible, so I have to take 1 from here. If I am taking 1 from here, then what happens? This itself becomes 0 and it becomes 1 0 1 0. That means 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. And that's again 0 minus 1, not possible. So I am taking 1 over here, then this becomes 0, it will become 1 0, 1 0 minus 1 is equal to 1, 1 is the result. Or suppose in example 2 I am doing 1 0 1 1 0 minus 1 0 0 1. Now what happened? 0 minus 1, it is not possible, so we have to take 1 over here. So when I am taking 1, then this becomes itself 0. Now the number is 1 0 over here. 1 0 minus 1 is equal to 1. Then 0 minus 1 0, 1 minus 0 1. Again 0 minus 1 appears, so we have to take a borrow over here. After taking a borrow, then this becomes 0. Now this is 1 0, 1 0 minus 1 is equal to 1, then this is 0. There is no value of 0 in left side, so the number is 1 1 0 1 is the output. So this is how we can do the binary addition and the binary subtraction. That's much for today. You have to practice some result. You have to practice some by your own, by taking your own result. And if you are confusing whether your output is right or not, then what happens? You can find out, or you can take the decimal equivalent of this. Suppose I am taking the decimal equivalent of this. I just remember, for this you have to take 6 and this is 3. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 will have. You can like this. You can also verify your answer whether it is correct or not. That's much for today. Thank you and have a nice day.